Alright. Give Uncle a squeeze. Give him a squeeze.
Give me a squeeze.
Oh.
Hi.
Give Dre a squeeze.
Yaya.
Give Yaya.
Yaya. Give me a squeeze. She's like,
No, she wants to hug Uncle.
I think she just likes hugging the computer.
Hey.
Give Mommy a squeeze.
Come
Give
here.
Mommy.
Come here.
Give Mommy.
Oh, thank you. Get Yaya. Go get Yaya.
Give me a squeeze.
He's trying to go to the computer.
I'm the one that taught you that. You can't ignore me. Okay, give Cuckoo a squeeze. Give Cuckoo a squeeze. Here we go.
Yay!
Oh my God, it's so cute. She is laying all over the computer. You are too cute.
Thank you, Lulu.
My turn?
Lacey.
My turn. No, Mommy's turn.
Hey, kitty pie. Ah. Oh. Oh. Push a button. Okay, turn this off. No pictures, no cameras. Go give Cuckoo a squeeze. One more squeeze for Cuckoo.
One more squeeze. Give him a squeeze.
Yay!